morning, it's Big D here, Flapjack and Beans, welcome back to the channel. And today it's, what date is it today? It's Friday the 5th of June. I think my mother's birthday were on 6th, bless her. Well, I think anyway. So moving on. Today there's something arriving here that I'm going to be showing you later on. I've got my colleague Peter across the road landscape. He's going to be doing a little bit of filming while we sort this thing what's going out. So stay with us and we'll show you what we've got now. I don't know. Never mind. It's got to be done. So we're having a coffee while we sat outside waiting, and here it comes, look. Here comes the Spyder. Yeah. There we have the sea to sky, is it? Ooh. A lot darker than I thought it were.
You see it in the showroom?
Yeah, it looked dark in there actually, but I thought it'd light. It might do when you get any sunshine. I thought you would have a box van for this.
The problem is because we do other stuff as well.
Yeah.
You know, accommodating everything for, like, we have to take wood because these come in, or the jet ski, everything comes in a wooden crate. So we have to take to the wood yard. So that won't be no good. Then we have obviously jet skis and all sorts. So yeah, it's the weather's been alright. When it's raining, and then you have to deliver a brand new bike, and it's all wet through and everything.
So this is a deja vu moment. Let this young man get it off. The third wheel. Sooner than me. You got a camera, haven't you?
What about the camera?
Oh, that's the bar right here. So you flick that, and you can put your bars wherever you like. I call it the Dodger.
Did you get on all right?
Yeah.
Looks nice, doesn't it? Nearly black. When you come out of our gate, it looked black.
Yeah, it does look black in different parts.
Yeah. I mean, that picture where he took with Willow, it looked purple. It is purple, isn't it? But it's very dark.
So Plumb, I think.
Yeah, Plumb. You'll go cold, don't you?
No, it's that proper, so it's brilliant.
Mavis is looking at you.
That's right, though, isn't it? Okay.
Yeah, I can see it. Brakes on. And there he goes.
I says, I think you're best off going on 3 wheels.
At least it was easy to find. You sat outside.
Yeah.
Waiting.
Put down there. Give him a...
Behind you now.
What's he said down there?
Yeah, he's going to post it out. Oh, because we took it out of the bike.
I'll tell you that.
Yeah, there's one bit behind me, so they something.
Yeah, sorry.
I don't think about forward. I don't know how many customers like kicked on before you really put your backs away. That's about it, really.
Yeah.
You'll pay up.
I have any. Okay, so here we are on the first outing on the Spyder. On Mr. Plumb, as Katie calls it in yellow. Mr. Plumb. So, spot all here, look. So what are we doing anyway? We're going to have a little look at our willows, not very well look. Short Spyder. So you can't take a mind of it. She named it Mr. Plumb. Let's see what she thinks about it. What's the guy looking at? Here we are leaving now our first little ride. We're off now to fill the mighty purple Mr. Plumb, purple haze, purple rain at the gas station. Right on first car on 5 Okay, so I'm turning music down on Spyder so that you can't hear it. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Down Upper Harlem, as our road calls it. We'll go down here. Okay. This is that thing, go. Okay, so we're going down to a little place where I like to take pictures of bikes. Stay with me. Look at this, I think it's the things out here. You look at the Spyder. Yeah, counter steer like on a motorcycle, because that's a thing that bring on a Spyder. You don't think exactly the opposite. It's taking some what do you call it, in the doctor time, muscle memory. It's got to get in your muscle memory. Surely if you've got a weak muscle memory like me, I don't know. You just take a bit of angle. You know, like gears down for you, you can do it yourself. You can hit the brain with the spinal cord. My mouth's dry. Right, so here we are, Mission 1 Pro GoPro. Took a few pictures with my phone actually, so we'll see how all that compares. And we're going to go back now, see what's happening at home. There we go. Parking brake off. In gear. Boom. The Can-Am Plumb. It's like an Harley.
Well, I saddled up my shoes, headed out at dawn.
Right, so here we are.
Yeah, I saddled up my shoes, headed out at dawn. Ain't no place gonna hold me when the road keep rolling on. Left my baby crying, said you can't live that way. Left my baby crying.